Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Beniza. So today it's going to be like a special episode. I just got back from work and I was really hungry. I decided to do something, just pop to the kitchen and look for whatever I have in the kitchen and then make something out of it. So you see how creative Ebenezer is today. So all of that is coming right up. So I told you guys I'm super creative, yeah? So I'm going to pop into the kitchen and I hope you come with me. I'm going to look for, there's literally nothing in the kitchen, but I'm going to try and make something out of nothing. How do you just turn water to wine? You see me turn my empty kitchen with no food stuff into something. I'm going to try and look for anything and then make out something out of it. So yeah, I don't even know what's in the kitchen, so come with me, let's see. So I know I've never taken you guys to my kitchen before, so this is my kitchen. Mind you, I hate to cook. I hate cooking, but unless I have to. So today is one of those days where, I just want to be spontaneous and then try to cook from wherever I find at home. But I know there'll definitely be something, but I don't know if you can make me a whole meal, but I'll try. Let's see. Okay, I have pasta, I have rice. Okay, maybe I'll just check and see what's available. The drawer where I have, okay, what do I have here? Beans flour. For my akara. I've never used this before. I don't even know why I bought it. I don't think this is the time for that. It's too late. Corn flour. No. Okay. This looks more like it. Spaghetti is always a great option. Easy to cook. Probably do this. I don't think I have rice. Looks like rice is finished. Oh yeah. Oh, savior. There's always leftover rice in this house. Yes, so I don't know. Should I do spaghetti or any mini morning? I think I should do Nigerian Jollof, actually. I should do jollof rice. Yes, sir. Yeah. You know I had jollof, actually, so. Jollof rice. So before I proceed, I'd like to pour myself a drink and then put some nice music in the background. So that's it. So I've had this bottle of 4th Street wine, sweet red wine. It's been in my fridge for several weeks. Yeah, but I should try it. I'll get a glass. Toast to good life. Some chips to go before I start. Oma's crisps. I think I have it. So this is just to entertain myself while I suffer and cook this food. Yeah, I have music. I have to get a bowl. Yeah, I've got chicken. Let me see. So I just ransacked my kitchen and thankfully I'm able to get stuff to make me spicy jollof rice. So here's what I've got. So I've got wings, chicken, ready to eat chicken. I like to make it in a special way, so sit back and watch. And I've got tomato paste, pepper and onion, and I've got bay leaves, I've got ground nutmeg, curry, ginger powder, thyme leaves, dry pepper, garlic, garlic and ginger, lucky me, got salt, and spicy honey barbecue sauce, it's for chicken. Vegetable oil and onion. I hate slicing onions though, so this should be fine. So we're ready to make spicy jollof. So sit back and watch. Okay. Sure, I call it.
Way out my feelings and nothing can stress me. The way I run the game, I'm feeling like referee. No, like Moses parting the Red Sea, like a chauffeur, me in the back of the Bentley. So I step out.
Right, hey.
What you want? Rosé, champagne? I got that. Big bag, back pain, taking the piss.
This is part where I put my vegetable oil. I don't like to use too much, so it's just not, you're not having too much oil. If you're a fitness person, like me. Yep. No measurement, sorry. It's like eye measurement in use. 2. So when I cook, I like to keep it clean. So I'm cleaning while I'm cooking. So I'm trying to make the like stew for the jollof rice. So what's my first spice? I like the thyme. To reduce it before it burns. Hold on, my so you can hear me properly. There you go. Ouch. Just a little water. So this is like basmati rice, and so you don't have to really parboil it. So I had to wash it several times. So yeah, you don't have to parboil it because it gets like ready. Yeah. So just pour it in. Just a little bit of the drink before I go and start stirring that thing. Salt. Too much salt is not good.
But you knew that.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think this should be fine. Nigerian, so we like to eat our rice with chicken. So, while the rice is getting ready, start making the chicken. So I have ready to eat chicken, but I like to make it different. You just spice it up a bit with barbecue sauce so that it doesn't feel like I'm just eating something right out of the fridge. So I'm a huge fan of chicken wings. So I can eat chicken wings like every day, every time. So this is like chicken wings, lifesaver, ready to eat. So just to pour a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Pour a little bit of pepper in it. Just a little pepper. Just add a bit of this frolic. Tomato ketchup, just a little, so it pops a bit. Turn it. Until I'll put it in the microwave. So here's the chicken looking already nice and sumptuous. Yes, I'll put it in the microwave now. Just record me touching this side. Nutmeg. Yeah, so like I think my jollof rice is ready. Can you see it? I actually like my rice very soggy, just soft, very soggy. So here we go, food is ready. I know the rice didn't come out exactly how I wanted it, but it looks really nice, still perfect. I wanted it to have this spicy Niger bond jollof rice feel, but I'm too tired, too lazy for that, so I think this works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I like 6 wings. Here we go. So this is what a spontaneous jollof rice with chicken wings looks like. So who would I believe I had to look for all the remnants in my kitchen to make this, but this looks nice and I'll totally dig in for dinner. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this spontaneous cooking video with Beniza. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button now, and please feel free to like, comment and share. It would be great to hear a comment on what you think about my jollof rice. I'm actually keen to get your feedback.